Okay, so you're here to check your answers for problem 3 and problem 4. So for problem 3, you should have found x equals 7. And for problem 4, you should have found x equals 3. So if you got those two correct, then move on to problems 5 and problem 6. If you did not get those correct, then hang on and let's see how we can work through these problems together. So first thing first, can you distribute in this problem? And the answer is yes. You can distribute a -5, which gives us a -5x minus 5 plus 3x equals, and here we actually have to distribute this negative. We've talked about doing that before. We haven't practiced it too much, so if you missed that, don't feel too bad. 6 minus 4x, and then plus 3, because a negative times a negative is a positive. So now this is an excellent problem where you have to look at both sides and see if there's anything you can combine. So -5 plus 3. So I can rewrite this if I wanted to, like this, so that they're next to each other. This gives me a -2x equals, whoops, not equals, minus 5 equals, and I can do the same thing over here. I can write 6 plus 3 minus 4x, and then I know I'm adding those two together to get 9 minus 4x. So I've simplified both sides, and now I ask myself, are there variables on both sides? And there are. Which one is smaller, -2 or -4? -4 is smaller, so I'm going to add 4x to both sides. That cancels here, and I'm left with 2x minus 5 equals 9. And now I look at the side with the x, and I ask myself what I can get rid of. I can get rid of this -5 by adding 5. And when you do that, you get 2x equals 14. And if you divide both sides by 2, you get x equals 7. So let's take a look at problem 4. First question first, can you distribute? Yes, you can. You can distribute this 4 and the 9. So we get 4x plus 28 equals 9x minus 9 plus 22. Now again, you have to ask yourself, can I combine these two? Can I combine anything over here? And the answer is yes, you can combine the -9 and the 22. So we keep our 4x plus 28 the same, but this actually becomes 13. Add 13. Okay, next question. Do you have variables on both sides? Yes, you do. Which one is smaller? 4 is smaller. So if I have a positive 4x, how do I get rid of it? Subtract 4x to each side. Cancel it out. You get 28 equals 5x plus 13. Look at the side with the variable. What can you get rid of on that side? Get rid of the 13 by subtracting. You find 15 equals 5x. Divide by 5. X equals 3. Okay, go ahead, try problems 5 and 6 and come back when you're ready to check your answers.